One of the most common questions I get from buyers, it's usually, hey Paul, what neighborhood in Gateway is the best? The truth is, Gateway isn't a one-size-fits-all community. We've got golf course homes, gated family communities, low maintenance condos, and even great investment options. So in today's video, we're gonna break down the major types of neighborhoods inside Gateway and who they're best suited for. This channel focuses on everything to do with buying, selling, investing, and living here in beautiful Southwest Florida. I would love to partner with you on your real estate journey, so give me a call or text anytime, 239-266-9012 to chat. All right, let's jump in. So my wife and I moved down to Gateway back in 2022 from New Jersey. We were looking to escape the cold, snowy winters, the overcrowded communities that were only getting more populated as a result of the pandemic. We knew that we wanted to be close to the water when we came down here, but not directly on it. We knew that we wanted to also have close access to amenities and the conveniences that were important to us. We also knew that we wanted to be active within the community that we chose. Gateway seemed to check all the boxes for us. So with that, let me share with you the top Gateway neighborhood types that could possibly help you decide if Gateway checks the boxes for you. So number one, we're going to talk about that golf and country club living. And we're right outside of the Gateway Country Club today. And it's one of Gateway's biggest draws. The Gateway Golf and Country Club, if you love golf, tennis, fine dining, or just want that private club atmosphere, look no further. Homes here range from luxury single-family homes to estate-style properties, and the community has a lush, established feel to it. This is perfect for retirees, second home buyers, or anyone who wants a country club lifestyle right in the heart of Fort Myers. Number two would be family-oriented communities. Now for families, Gateway has some incredible options. We're talking about Stoneybrook, Hampton Park, and Timber Ridge as standout neighborhoods. These are gated, secure, and loaded with family-friend amenities. Things like resort-style pools, playgrounds, basketball courts, and walking trails. They're also super close to A-rated schools, which is huge for parents. These communities really give you that classic suburban lifestyle, but you're only minutes away from all the shopping and the dining that you could ever want. We're also, keep in mind, just a few minutes away from I-75. Number three is low maintenance condo townhome living. So maybe you're not looking for a yard to maintain. That's where Gateway's condos and townhomes come into play. Places like Devonshire Lakes or Mahogany Run are great options. Even West Haven at Gateway. Here, your HOA often covers exterior maintenance, so you can lock up and leave without worrying. These spots are perfect for snowbirds who want to fly down in the winter, first-time buyers who are looking really for affordability, or downsizers who want something simple but still in a great community. So number four, let's talk about upscale and new construction options. If you're after something brand new, Gateway still has new construction opportunities for you. Hampton Lakes and the new developments off of Daniels features modern design, those open floor plans, big kitchens, smart home features as well. Plus, you get the latest building codes and hurricane standards. These homes are ideal for buyers who want move-in ready options with no upgrades needed. Just unpack your bags and enjoy. Number five, investment-friendly properties. So finally, Gateway is also a fantastic spot for investors. Condos and townhomes here have strong rental potentials thanks to the location. You're minutes from RSW, you're minutes from FGCU and JetBlue Park, which means seasonal renters, students, and even airline staff are always looking for housing nearby. If you're considering an investment property in Fort Myers, Gateway is one of the smartest places to look because of the steady demand that we have here. So as you can see, Gateway really does offer something for everyone, from community club living, family neighborhoods, low maintenance condos, brand new buildings, and even strong rental opportunities. The right community just depends on your lifestyle and goals. Hey, if you found these tips helpful, please hit the thumbs up button and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more valuable real estate insights. And if you're ready to chat, give me a call or text anytime, 239-266-9012. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.